Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting inside the Google Voice app. Sign into the account that owns the voice number. Once signed in, tap the three-line menu and open settings so you can change forwarding and call handling. Make sure to note the voice number and any linked phones now, because you'll remove them next. This is essential. If you skip it, you may lose access or miss confirmations. Now proceed to unlink devices and adjust call forwarding rules. That's the next step. Once in settings, go to calls and toggle off forwarding for each linked phone. You must remove each device individually so calls stop routing. Then open voicemail settings and disable visual voicemail. Save any messages you need before you turn it off. After that, visit linked numbers or account permissions and revoke access for devices or third-party apps. This prevents reroutes or message copies. Make sure to save or apply changes. To finish, delete the voice number from account settings if you want the service fully stopped. Follow prompts to confirm removal and any verification steps. Once removed, sign out of Google Voice across devices and uninstall the app from your phone to stop notifications and background activity. Make sure your carrier hasn't set simultaneous ringing or conditional forwarding. Check carrier settings if you still get calls. Troubleshooting tip: if calls persist, toggle airplane mode briefly and recheck Google account permissions and linked numbers. That usually reveals lingering forwards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.